High up in the lush highlands of Papua New Guinea lies a tradition that brings people together through rhythm, movement, and laughter. It's called Waipa, a circle dance like no other. In this video, we'll take you deep into the heart of the Western Highlands to uncover the meaning, beauty, and cultural power of this joyful tradition. Waipa is more than just a dance. It's a vibrant cultural expression practiced by the people of the Western Highlands, especially in Mount Hagen and surrounding areas. Picture this: people forming a circle, hands tightly joined, jumping in unison to the rhythm of drums and chants. This is Waipa, a dance of connection, of energy, and of joy. The word Waipa is rooted in the Mepla language and traditions. It represents unity, togetherness, and in many cases, courtship. Yeah, and this is also a dance of love. Waipa is usually performed during special gatherings, festivals, or cultural shows. Men and women form a big circle. They hold hands, sway, jump, and chant in a clockwise rhythm. The movement is simple, but incredibly powerful. It's not about flashy moves. It's about energy and emotion. Often the dance lasts for hours, building in tempo and emotion. Laughter is common, flirtation is welcome, and participation, that's encouraged. Everyone joins in, from elders to young people. One of the most unique aspects of Waipa is its role in courtship. During dances, young men and women get a chance to interact freely in a safe, respectful space. It's a way for connections to form, not through words, but through shared rhythm and emotion. Don't be surprised if you see a few glances exchanged across the circle. This is how love often starts in the Highlands. One of the best places to witness Waipa in all its glory is the Mount Hagen Cultural Show, one of PNG's largest and most colorful cultural events. Here, dozens of tribes come together to celebrate their heritage through dance, dress, and tradition. Waipa is often the final dance of the show, the grand finale. As the sun sets, the dancers join hands and move together in a circle, reminding everyone that no matter our differences, we're all connected. At first glance, Waipa may seem simple, but behind the jumping and laughter is a deep meaning. The circle represents unity, the joined hands show trust, and the movement, constant, flowing, reflects the heartbeat of community life in the Highlands. In a world that's constantly changing, traditions like Waipa remind us of what truly matters: relationships, respect, and rhythm. Today, Waipa continues to thrive, passed down from elders to youth. It lives on in villages, schools, and community events. And it's not just about looking back, it's about staying connected in the present. By sharing this dance with the world, the people of the Western Highlands are saying, this is who we are, and we're proud of it. Waipa is a dance of love, of unity, and of identity. If you ever get the chance to see it in person, or better yet, join in, don't hesitate. You'll feel the energy the moment you step into the circle.